Hello everyone, today in this video, I will bring you beautiful themes on the Chinese theme store. All themes in the video are not available at global Xiaomi theme stores. But in this video, I bring you a backup created by me, with which you can install these Chinese themes on your phone. If you don't know how to install Chinese theme on your global device, please review a few videos in the channel to know how to do it. Before using the backup file to restore these themes to your device, let's review a few highlights of each theme. All themes include backup in video description. You can use it to restore on your global devices. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon. Subscribe me to receive more Chinese themes for global device.